Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Blue, and today I'm coming at you with another guide video. I'm going to be talking about how to make a short on YouTube with whatever you want, whether it be video games, just a clip, whatever, doesn't matter. First off, what I use is CapCut. You can use anything you want. CapCut is free. I will put the link in the description down below if anybody does want it. Whenever you download it, it looks like this. These are all projects that I'm working on. For this video, we're going to do a new project. In here, this is where you import stuff, so we're gonna go ahead and import it. This is the video that I want to use. It's a 5-minute clip, but I only want to use a minute of it, so I'm gonna put it down to where it's less than a minute, so that's gonna be exactly about a minute. And just for the sake of the video, we'll make it a little bit shorter. You can do all the editing that you want. I'm not going to do any editing because I'm just trying to make a YouTube video on how to do it. First thing you want to do is you need to change the ratio. That's the most important thing when it comes to making a short. By doing this, you automatically are showing YouTube that you're making a short. The best way to do it is fill up the whole thing by dragging it. If you don't like how zoomed in it is, you can always do this number, or you could, if you have like a face cam, you could drag this like that and then put your face cam up here, or vice versa, face cam down here, just whatever you want to do. There's all different kinds of ways you could do it. Me personally, I just center it and put it like this in the middle. After you do this, you're gonna want to of course export it. So this situation, I'm just gonna have a different video just to show you. So in order to upload, you have to, I can show you real quick, go to your YouTube and here, and you go to create, upload video. You don't have to click like upload a short or anything like that. You go to select file. So in here, you're gonna go to whatever your video is saved at. Mine is in here. So these are all like shorts that I've made. Go check them out if you are interested. But so like for example, you'll click this because it's in that ratio. You'll know that it's correct because it says shorts right here. youtube.com/shorts. That's how you know that you've done it correctly. The main thing, like I said, is just making sure that your ratio is 9:16. That's the phone ratio. So however you want to edit it, that's up to you. It doesn't matter as long as it's in the 9:16 and it's less than a minute. As long as those two requirements are met, you're able to do all this kind of stuff, checks, visibility, all that good stuff. And yeah, you'll be set up to make your short. Good luck guys, and don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, comment. If y'all are Siege people, go check out my shorts, and yeah, say what's up. Peace guys.